Here I have Huawei Y7a, and today I'm going to show you how to perform forced restart operation on this device. If you notice that your device lagged and don't respond on your actions, not as mine is all good. But if you notice that yours is laggy and you can't do anything about it, you can't restart it because it don't respond on your when you push buttons or anything. What you can do in this kind of situation, you can perform force restart operation, which is made by holding down power key and volume down key at the same time for about 5 seconds. And after that, your device will be force restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.